Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here. Really excited to get back out on the road and see many of you guys out there in the world. Coming up here, we've got a lot of trips coming up in July, but the first one, we're heading to Nebraska. That's right, the cornfields of America, we're coming out to Nebraska. So first off, we're starting July 3rd. We're going to be at Omaha's House of Trains, and we're going to be there from about 4 o'clock till close. So be sure to check that out. Go to the store, let them know you're coming, or RSVPs at houseoftrains.com, or call the store. Give them a shout, let them know you're coming. And then the weekend, we're going to be down in Deschler, Nebraska. We're going to be at the Spring Creek 25th Anniversary Open House. We're pretty excited to be there. We're looking forward to seeing all you folks out there. And go make sure for any information, you want to go to springcreekmodeltrains.com. And that's going to be on July 5th and the 6th. And I forget the hours off the top of my head, but I believe it's somewhere between 9 to 5 or something like that on Saturday and 10 to 4 on Sunday or something like that. So be sure to check out the hours at springcreekmodeltrains.com. Then to close out our trip, we're going to be at Rys Roundhouse on Monday, July 7th. This is in Lincoln, Nebraska. We're going to be there from 11 a.m. to 1. So be sure to come out and check out information. Let Randy know you're coming, randysroundhouse.com. And we're going to be out there showing off the Blunami, get you some hands-on time with it, let you experiment and play with it. So look forward to seeing all you guys out there. And then as the other trips come up, we'll put a short video out announcing those and what we're doing. But we've got the national show and St. Louis RPM coming up in the month of July. So stay tuned. We'll see you guys out there.